Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today we're decluttering my single shadows, my mascaras, my eyeliners, all that type of thing, or all those type of things. Just real quick, I've mentioned before, I've just been wearing less makeup since really 2020, but now that I have a 6-month-old baby, I really don't wear makeup as much. So hopefully we can pare this down here, get rid of some old things, make room for some of the new things, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So any unopened mascara that I know of, I do want to keep, just because I know a bunch of these mascaras in here are old, so all of these new mascaras I've got separated, I do want to be sure that I keep. There are just some random backups in here, like I have a ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF. I have this Belle Luxe lipstick, so these kind of technically go somewhere else, but that's okay. I have a backup brow pencil from e.l.f. and a backup eyeshadow primer for Wet n Wild. This is my favorite eyeshadow primer. This is kind of just where my backups stay, and I'm fine with them staying in here. So that's my backups. Feeling good. Like I said, keeping all of those unopened mascaras. Now let's go ahead and get rid of some of these. This is old. This is old. These three are real old. This is old. This is old. And the MAC stack is somewhat new. So I'm going to get rid of all of these guys. Get rid of all of those guys. And then I'm going to pick probably just a couple of these to kind of test out. Maybe I'll try the Surfer Curl and the NARS Climax next. And then the rest will kind of just sit back in my backups thing just for later usage. I might actually put, if they're, kind of able to be sat in here, just sit them in here, because I know that if they have the wrapping on them, then obviously I haven't opened them. So that works out pretty nice. Okay. Oh, let's do eyeliner and that thing next. So this is like eyeliner, brows, all that type of thing. I'm kind of afraid to dump this out because I know that there's pencil shavings in here. Good. Now I can dump this out. Okay, so I have my sharpener here. Obviously I'll be keeping my sharpener. Hopefully it doesn't keep breaking. And if it does, then I'll probably just get a new one. But keeping that. Okay, like I said, Wet n Wild is my favorite eyeshadow primer, hands down, ever. I do really like this Urban Decay eyeshadow potion, and I'm somebody, I have to wear eyeshadow primer, otherwise my eyeshadow will be everywhere. And I also like this MAC as well. So I want to keep all three of those. Like I said, that's something if I'm wearing eye products I have to wear, because my eyes are super oily. Let's see, I know I have some different brow things in here. This Anastasia is like my #1 go-to brow pencil. And then I really do like the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil from e.l.f. So I'm cool with keeping both of those. This ColourPop Boss Brow Gel is probably leaning near its last leg, but I'm going to use it till I physically cannot use it anymore. And then I do like these tinted brow gel type things as well. So I am okay with keeping all those. Here's where we're going to get rid of, because I don't wear liquid eyeliner. So this Milani can go, this little pen can go, this pen can go. 2 of these aren't even open, but I'm not going to wear them, I can tell you right now. Oh, here's a mini brow pencil, or like mini brow wiz. which I'll keep because I'm gonna go through brow pencils. So all of those can go. I love, my favorite eyeliner that stays the best on me is the Balm Mr. Right. And so I have 4 of those. I'll be keeping all 4. This ColourPop one can go. This ColourPop one can go. What is this? Brow Artist pencil. It's in brown. I'll pass this on because I have a lot. I do like the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On. I'll keep that. This Smashbox Always On is good. This is another Smashbox Always On. And I want to try the Marc Jacobs as well. These 2, this Complex Culture and this AM to PM. Actually, this might be, is this a pencil? Yeah, retractable. I can just get rid of these because I don't need them. So, doing good. I definitely pared some things down in there. Eyeliner, I do like to wear it in my waterline, so I'm fine with keeping what I kept. Single shadows. I love this L'Oreal Infallible in Amber Rush. That's something I wear to work every day. Same with this Maybelline Expert Wear Eyeshadow in Sterling Greige. I don't know how you really say that, but. And this Bare Minerals eye color in Celestine. Beautiful. We'll wear those all the time. This is from, I don't know, from Half Caked, Mirror Mirror, and Fortune Faded. I don't need this Sephora colorful eyeshadow in Glazed Donut. I bought because I think it's really pretty to wear as like a top or on its own. This is an Ulta Beauty eyeshadow in Desire. I'll think about that for a second. This Hip Dot single shadow I don't need. Ciate London single shadow I don't need. I do like the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize. I have Amber Gold and Oyster Pearl. I'll keep those. This little stack from Kaja in Chocolate Dahlia is definitely a keeper. It's not a single, but it kind of fit in there. I have a bunch of ColourPop. I love Ritz. I actually have 2 Ritz because I love Ritz so much. That's like my favorite of all time. I do like Cosmic Charge. I do like Amaze. Waddles is pretty too. So this is Love. Let's swatch. This is one I could be wearing to work. Oh, that's the one I could be wearing to work. Keeping. And then I have Ladybird and Kush. I think I can get rid of Ladybird. I think it's just like a bit, yeah, it's a bit glittery for me. So I'll get rid of that. And then Kush, I think it's just like super bright. Yeah, it's really pretty. Let me swatch Ritz next to it. Is this one Ritz? Yes. Okay, Ritz does actually have glitter in it. This other one doesn't. I think I'll keep Kush as well. I do like wearing single shadows because they're just easy, especially to work. So I feel good getting rid of, you know, a few and then keeping a few. I'm gonna get rid of this Ulta Beauty one. I don't need it, but keeping, like I said, the rest of these things. Apparently I have another little sharpener in here. I should move that over there. Okay, so I've got my keeps here. Some of these are backups that don't technically count. Getting rid or throwing away or tossing 20 different things. So that feels good. Like I said, especially getting rid of all of these mascaras that are old feels real good. If you did enjoy, be sure you subscribe it down below for more decluttering, more organizing, more mom type things. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.